Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Labels by Soumi. My name is Soumya and in today's video we are going to talk about this viral hack on TikTok on which many beauty bloggers, TikTokers are just swaying by and going gaga because it gives you the flawless base which everyone wants. So the best part of this hack is that you just need 5 products for the flawless base. So I'm going to name them all. The first one is your foundation, the second is your moisturizer, third is your setting spray, fourth is your loose powder, and fifth is your primer. Yes guys, you just need these 5 things to get the flawless base. So without wasting any time, I'm just going to brief you who started this hack and how it got so viral, and after that we are just going to get into the video. Guys, this hack was first introduced by a New York based TikToker named Zalida. So she was the first one to upload this hack on TikTok, from where it got really viral and people just started trying. And usually what we do is we just apply the primer, moisturizer, foundation, and then setting spray and powder just to keep everything on place. But she has just changed the game and the results are amazing, as like people are just going crazy on this. So without wasting any other time, let's get into the video and just see how it goes. So guys, the first step for this hack is moisturizer. So I'm going to take my moisturizer. You can take any moisturizer you like according to your skin type. Just going to rub it so that it gets charged up by my body heat, and I'm going to dab it on my skin. I'm going to let it sit for like 2 minutes and then I'll be going to the other step. Okay, the other step is to use your loose powder, but you don't have to use it too much on your skin. So I'm just going to use my brush and dab it all over my face. Let's see how it goes. I'm too excited to, just see the results. It's time to apply the setting spray, so I'm going to just, oops, I'm just going to use mine and I'm going to let it sit for 2 minutes. So guys, what are you guys doing in the lockdown? I hope many of us has already done baking the cake. So what's the next step? What are you guys making? Show some interest and leave down your recipes. I'm gonna try them all. I'm very serious about it. So yeah, we're moving on to the next step, which is the primer. Many of the TikTokers and beauty bloggers are just going crazy over this hack. So let's see. Rub it on my fingers and apply it on my face. So you really don't have to use any color of corrector for it. After I'm done priming my face, I'm going to take my foundation. Remember the technique, guys, you just have to dab the foundation all over your face so that you don't apply too much product and waste your foundation unnecessarily. god guys, my face is looking so flawless. I'm already in love with this technique. It looks so amazing. I'm surprised. So as you can see, there are no patches and my skin is glowing. So even I'm one of those who are going to swear by this hack. So now moving on to the next step, I'm going to complete my whole makeup. So I'm going to give it a daytime look. So it will be very simple, which you guys can wear like every day for your work, college, and anywhere you go. So let's start and move on to the second part. I'm going to use my concealer. My beauty blender just to blend this out. I'm going to go in with my contour just to give shape to my face. I know I look funny, but this is the only technique to give your shape. I mean to give your face, what am I saying? To give your face the complete structure. So yes. To sharpen your jawline, girls. Using my highlighter, so what I do is I just take my fixing spray and my beauty blender and just spray a little on it and then dab the beauty blender on my highlighter and apply. And you see it's looking so nice. Higher points on my face. My forehead, on my temples. Now I'm done with the highlighting, so I'm going in with the eyes. I'm gonna keep it very simple because it's the daytime look, so it will be a very easy eye makeup tutorial. This is what I do when I'm in a hurry. So you take any shimmery eyeshadow which you have. I'm gonna go in with a peach eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply it in a dabbing motion, of course. It looks very natural and you don't look like overdone at the end of the day. Guys, as you can see, this is looking very natural and I don't want to apply eyeliner for this look, so I'll be just using my mascara to give my lashes some volume. I'm done with my eyes and face, everything, and now I'm going to do my lips. So I'm using this shade from Kiko Milano, which is 06. I personally like this lipstick because it's very glossy and shiny and perfect for a daytime look. So yeah. And it also stays for very long, so I think it's worth the price. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm looking forward to see you in the other videos as well. Take care everyone. Bye.